Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this question, how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So, multiples of 4, if you take 4, 8, 12, these two we cannot take because this does not lie between 10 and 250. So, I will start from 12 here. So, we can directly go 12, 16, 20, etc. So, 250 is there. So, 250 when I start divide by 4. So, 2 less if I take, I can reach because if instead of 10, if there is 8, I can get. So, if I put it 248. So, we can easily get. So, my last term is 248. This is how you can easily find the value. So, just to check the last one you divide and what is the less you want, 250, 10 is the remainder. If you get 8, that is possible. So, just subtract. A is 12. What is D? D is 16 minus 12, which is 4. So, D is 4 we are getting. And Tn, last term is 248. Once again, we have to find here N. A is 12, 248 minus 12, 4n minus 4, this will give me 236 plus 4, 4n, 240 which is equal to 4n, n is 240 by 4, 60. Therefore, n we get 60. You can say there are 60 terms which are multiples of 4 between 10 and 250.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this question, we have been given find the 20th term from the last term. So, this is 3, 8, 13, 253. So, we have to find the thing from the last term. T20th I have to find from the last term. Now, what is the last term here? So, I can write the same values. We will take the last term, that is 253. This will act as a first term for me. D, I can take from here 8 minus 3. This will be 5. So, D is 5 I got. So, what we do whenever we want to do from the last term, take Tn is equal to L plus n minus 1. D we take negative because we come in an opposite way for the D. So, from here to here, if this is my first term, I will take T2 minus T1. Here, we have taken like this. So, 8 minus 3 and here if I take automatically, it should be negative here. So, T20, last term is this. This is again 20 minus 1, 19 I will be getting. Here it is minus 5. So, T20 is 253 minus 95. So, T20, here how much we are getting? 158. Therefore, the 20th term from the last is 158 here.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this question, the sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP. So, sum of 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24, and sum of 6th and 10th terms is equal to 44. We have to find the first 3 terms of AP. So let us solve this. T4 is nothing but A plus 3D. This is A plus 7D, which is equal to 24. This will give me 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. 2 we can take the common factor on division. A plus 5D is equal to 12 will be my first equation here. Let us take the second one here. This is A plus 5D plus A plus 9D, which is equal to 44. 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. Again take the 2 common. A plus 7D will be 22. So we got the 2 equations here. Let us put the 2 equations and find A and D here. This is my first equation and this is the second equation. So from 1 and 2 I can say we can subtract the things here. What we are going to get, this will get cancelled, minus, otherwise you can write somewhere else if you get confused. You write it here from 1 and 2. A plus 5D which is equal to 12. A plus 7D which is equal to 22. Cancel, this is minus 2D minus 10. So negative goes, D is 10 by 2, 5. Therefore, value of D is 5 we got. Using any of the one equation from 1, A plus 5D is equal to 12. A is 12 minus 5D. A is 12 minus 5 into 5. So, A is 12 minus 25, which is minus 13. Therefore, A we are getting minus 13. So, we got both the values here. I can just put that. A is minus 13, D is 5. The first term is nothing but A, which is minus 13. Second term is A plus D, that is minus 13 plus 5. What we will get? Minus 8. Third term is second term plus D, minus 8 plus 5 minus 3. Therefore, the 3 terms of AP this is the answer.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this question, it is given Subba Rao started the work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000. So, A is given to me 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. So, each year same increment rupees 200. So, that is D we can take. And in which year did his income reach 7,000? So, I am getting, if you want, you can say let in nth year his income reached rupees 7,000. So now we are having all the details with us. We can just start finding Tn directly. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn value is 7000, a is 5000, n minus 1 as it is 200. So 7000 minus 5000 is equal to 200n minus 200. So this will give me 2000. Taking the 200 here, 200n. This will give me 200n is equal to 2200. N is 2200 divided by 200, 11. So n is 11. So in which year did his income reach 7000? In the year 11th year. So you can say his income rupees 7000 in 11th year.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.